Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 20th, 2018. Yesterday I decided to come up here and see if I can turn some of the compost. So this is a small compost pile here. And this was the second time I turned it, if I'm correct. And I'm really happy with the progress of this one. Now, just recently we did have some rain. In the last few months we got a total of just over 3 inches, but that all came in this last week. But it hasn't hurt this compost pile at all. It seems to be going through the thermophilic processing very, very well. Very excited at how well this pile is doing. The temperature is already up. I finished this last night. The temperature is already up to, or I finished it yesterday afternoon. Temperature is already up into the low 120s at this point. So really looking good so far. So what's going to follow is just some GoPro footage showing the process of turning the pile. If you're interested, stay tuned. You'll see it. I'll put some music to it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to ask questions, leave comments. I'm always interested in feedback and how we're doing here as far as presenting information to you. And if you'd like to be notified when we post more videos, hit that bell icon. And by all means, folks, have a super fantastic day. Bye-bye now.